In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox storage usage on mobile. Let's walk through this together so you always know how much space you have left and what your options are if you need more. Start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. You should land on your home screen. From there, look to the bottom right corner for the Account tab. Depending on your device, this might appear as the word Account or as your profile icon. Go ahead and tap that to open your account view. At the top of this screen, you'll see a small gear icon, which opens the app's settings. Tap the gear to enter settings. This is where Dropbox keeps your key account details and preferences. In this menu, look for the section labeled Space Used or Storage. You'll see a percentage bar along with your total quota, such as something like 13.9% of 2 GB. That number tells you how much of your overall plan you've already used. A quick note on what counts toward this number: files and folders in your Dropbox, including shared folders you've joined, all count toward your storage. Items that are only shared with you via a link without being added to your Dropbox don't count. The app cache doesn't count towards your quota either, so what you see here reflects your real storage usage. If you're getting close to your limit and want to explore more space, simply tap the Space Used area. This opens the plan options that are available to you right now. You'll see the basic plan, which typically includes 2 GB, and then paid plans that increase your storage significantly. The Plus plan gives you around 2,000 GB, often called 2 terabytes, while the Professional plan increases that to about 3,000 GB or 3 terabytes. Plan names and pricing can vary by region and promotion, but those sizes are a helpful guide. Choose the option that fits your needs, or stick with basic if your current space is enough. If your app looks a little different, don't worry. On some versions, settings might be listed directly in the account screen rather than behind a gear icon. The wording could be storage, space used, or plan. The function is the same. It shows your usage and provides a path to upgrade, and that's all there is to it. Open Dropbox, go to Account, tap the gear for settings, check space used, and tap it if you want to review upgrade options. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.